Alright, copy this example in box 2. This time we're going to look for a GCF. Always check for a GCF first from 35, 155, and 60. Now these all end in 5 or 0, so I know they're all divisible by 5. So I'm going to factor out a 5. So if I factor out a 5, I get a 5 outside the a 5 outside the parentheses, and we get 7x squared. 155 divided by 5 is 31x, and plus 12, because 60 divided by 5 is 12. Now we're going to factor this like we would any other trinomial, the inside part. For right now, we just leave the 5 outside the parentheses alone. So we need to multiply 7 and 12. That gives me 84. Now my second sign right here is a negative, so I need two negatives that multiply to get 84, and I might have said 74 before, and add up to negative 31. First we'll try, I know, negative 4 and negative 21. That will multiply to give me 84, but unfortunately that adds up to negative 25, so that's not going to work. I also know negative 3 times negative 28 is also 84, and those add up to negative 31. So we have what we need here. So ready to make our Cardoso square. So you make your little tic-tac-toe board. And in the middle here, I'm going to put 7x squared. The bottom right, don't forget, use this number here, not 84. We're going to use 12. And put my two factors in the corners here, negative 3x and negative 28x. And now we'll just do our factoring. We're going to factor, we'll just go across here first. It doesn't matter what order you go in. So 28 and 7, the GCF is that, is 7, and the x is giving me an x. Alright, if we factor the 12 and negative 3 right here, I'll get a 3, because that's the GCF of 3 and 12. And this negative 3x makes it negative. Now when I come up in this column, I'm going to put, there's no common factor, 3 and 7, so nothing goes there. But x squared and x gives me x. And when I go up from 12 and negative 28, the GCF of those is 4. And this negative 8 makes it negative 4. So we're going to get the two binomials, 7x minus 3 and x minus 4. And my program made a little mistake here. I don't know what happened, but the 5 right here, remember, we need to bring that down and put it in front. So I'm going to bring that 5 down and put it in front. If I multiply those all together, I'll get my original trinomial right here. It doesn't work without that 5, so that's my complete answer. Make sure you have this all copied in box 2. If you have any questions, you can rewind and watch parts again, and raise your hand and ask me. When you're finished with box 2, press continue down at the bottom of your screen and go to box 3 in the video for box 3.